my berry with oat muffins recipe. Now all the ingredients. The preparation is 50 minutes, cook time 20 minutes, so in total is 35 minutes. So first of all, I use in a bowl and combine the all dry ingredients. I put the flavor, almond flour, and whole flour as well as you have at home. Then I love oat, so I combine all that ingredients with some brown sugar or refined sugar if you want, if you prefer that, and baking powder, just a little bit. Don't forget to preheat the oven to 500 degrees. Now it's moment of stir and stir and stir until you make the mixture that you really want. Then in a separate bowl, whisk together the milk. In this case, I use almond milk, 2 eggs, 1, and 2. Combine all the time. Oh yeah, now it's time for the oil. In this case, I use coconut oil. I put in just 1 spoon. But if you want, you can put in the microwave and turn into liquid. It's easy. Now combine. Try to mix very well all of that juice. That is so good for snack time with your kids, with your family in these days. So you can spoil them with that delicious muffins. So now you're gonna pour the all liquid ingredients into the dry ingredients. And stir just until all the ingredients are combined like a so delicious, right? Can't wait to try a little bit of that dog. Now put a little bit cinnamon and 1 extract of vanilla, some of them. And I have cranberries, but you can use any kind of berry that you have at home. And for that crunchy and delicious taste, you can use some almonds or peanuts. And then when you finish already, you can transfer the muffin tin to the mold. Hey, look who is here. My husband gonna help. So yeah, just transfer that to the mold and then just bake for, oh, it's kiss time. So when you finish with this part, just put the mold, in this case 2 molds, in the oven for 25 minutes. Okay. And wait for the golden brown on the top. So yeah, just bake